but just what you invested in that contract. And now, if you buy the stock, I mean, we can always do some research, find out what happens, but it goes in receivership. So, the value of all it may go down, but I don't, in this regard, where it's just, we also got news play. I don't, anything can happen. I don't foresee it coming to the point where they'll just take it off immediately. It probably will get to that just because they may not be financially able to continue, and they lose their spot on the NASDAQ, or they might, not a New York Stock Exchange. They might have to drop out of that. Those are all in play. That's feasible. But I would options, just that way you have the option to buy it. You don't really own it. And that way you just dealing with what you can mitigate your loss. That's, hopefully I answered that. I'm not sure if I did or not, but I do understand what you're saying. Thank you for that clarity.
No problem. So basically, like, if we were in this one, we were anticipating, okay, the news is still bad. We get in a contract for some puts, and then it go, we have it set, let's say we had it set for, we bought 3 weeks, and then it goes down to zero before that 3 weeks expired. You just saying we would just lose, more than likely we just lose the money we had invested in that contract, correct?
Right. Whatever that contract, that contract itself will probably drop to zero, and won't be worth anything because they're probably going to buy it.
Okay. But if he's in a put, and shouldn't that means he'll be making money? So if you monitor your trade, what's your goal, and get your money out?
You should, and that's where we go to manage.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm saying if something spiked, like if it just dropped like faster than you anticipated, like you may have somebody, like for instance, I'm not DCG free yet. I'm not off my job, so let's say like we had some massive news or something, and then it crashed. I mean, that company crashed, and before I even, like, I may have alerts set, but maybe I'm not even,
To add to what Tiffany said, she's absolutely right. At that point, it's still valuable. Your contract, because you're in a put. So whatever that price was, it still be valuable just because you might have bought it at a higher price for what it is worth now.
But nobody would be willing to buy it, right? Nobody would be willing to buy it for me to get out of that put.
That would be the thing, whether it's open interest or whatever. If somebody thinks it might go back up, there might be somebody who buy it. But if it goes to zero in a day, they already have protections in place where it's not going to just in a day remove it off the stock exchange. They're not going to just like, okay, it's no longer worth anything right now today. So all those things will come up. So and people going to gamble on somebody buying it and taking it back up. So it just becomes a gambling game. So I don't think you would lose totally, because somebody's always looking to gamble on it being bought and taken back up. So depending on how much time it is, how short for expiration, I'm pretty sure that 100% affect the value of it. If you have 3 weeks. But to answer your question, yeah, it could. You would just be able to lose whatever it is that it's worth at that point. Whatever you pay.
Cool.
All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all. I know I went over. You got some questions. I'm still here. Do our thing. I know ran over, but this was good.
I really appreciate you taking the extra time to answer the question.
Nah, no problem. This is where we try to get as dirty as possible. Get our hands dirty, It's open forum, and I appreciate. Did I say appreciates? I appreciate. I appreciate everybody's contributions. This is where we. I like that. I saw Kavana a while ago. I forgot. there's so many things I meant to actually mention it, and that's where you get caught up in all these extra things. Management. So yeah, I'm gonna get off here now. If anybody got anything, there's a study group on the Discord. Y'all could drop questions or anything y'all want to go over, anything you want to share. Come on here, let me know, and share with the group. This is good.
All right, thanks, Barry. Appreciate you, man.
No problem. I appreciate all of y'all.
All right, thanks, BP.
All right, T. Have a great one.
All right, you do the same.